All right, YouTube, it's your boy, it's Ken, your favorite pinnacle. We are in Atlantis, the Royale Sky Pool Villa Suite. Now, we are checking out today, so the room is a wreck, but I did want to show you a room tour. Behind me, you have a half bath and a butler's pantry. Here is the living room area with a table for four, a workstation here, a couch that opens up, and a beautiful television. Let's take you into the bedroom. We had the extra bed because there were three of us here, but that's a king. Of course, the beautiful views. We also have the big screen TV. Let's take you to the bathroom, which is outstanding. We have a closet here, the water closet, as well as the shower. Now, guys, that's magic glass. So if you need some privacy, you have it. If not, you have wide open. Now, look, this is a sky pool villa. So let us take you outside because this is why you get this room, okay? We're walking. We have a table for two here. Look how big this balcony is. Oh no, this is the small part of the balcony. Here is the pièce de résistance. Table for six, table for two up there, two loungers, and the Sky Villa pool, okay? Is this amazing? Tell me this isn't the best thing we've ever seen. It is just a beautiful outside space here in Atlantis, the Royale. It's your boy, it's Ken. Please like and subscribe. And we will see you at sea. Oh, wait a second. There's the Burj Al Arab. On this time when there's no haze, it's the Burj Khalifa. And you are at the Palm. So we will see you at the Palm.